Hi, I'm a mother, a teacher, and a global K 12 coding instructor. For years, I've taught learners of all ages, from school children to college students, from professionals to curious beginners. My journey through diverse classrooms has shown me one thing: every child learns differently and deserves clarity. Today, I work as a multidisciplinary freelancer combining coding, designing, and creativity. I teach K 12 students across the world through YouTube and social media, making coding simple, visual, and fun. My mission is to reach every learner who wants to build their future with technology, confidently and creatively, whether you're a student, a parent, or a curious beginner who want to understand how coding can impact your skills and why is it important to add AI as a skill for you. I welcome you to my channel.